Hello, welcome back to Healthy Recipes for Lazy Bitches, where I make healthy eating, not suck. Today we made some more sweet potato nachos.
And today we're doing a full nutritional analysis of them.
How do I know it's going to be a good day when I'm making some sweet potatoes? We are making some sweet potato nachos. Naturally, we have to start by roasting them. I'm just going to spray them with some avocado oil cooking spray. Essentially, it's just thinly sliced roasted sweet potatoes topped with a bunch of shit. And we have a hefty hand when we season these. I'm going to do some salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. I'm also going to throw in some rosemary and oregano. I have the oven preheated to 475, and we're just going to roast them until they're nice and tender and a little bit crispy. For our topping, we're going to do this little fire roasted corn salad. I just get the microwavable fire roasted corn and I microwave it. If you have a problem with the microwave, I don't know how you're still here at this point. I'm gonna add in a little bit of red onion and some sliced jalapenos, fresh lime juice, garlic powder, salt of course, and then some of this light mayonnaise. Here's the thing. I had all the, I don't know how we got here. I was gonna make like a Greek-inspired sweet potato nacho. That's not this. I don't think I was supposed to use this for this recipe. What? How did we get here? What?
This is so relatable. I'm sure it'll still turn out okay.
We're just going with it. We have our sweet potatoes. They're nice and crispy. We're gonna add our corn salad just scattered throughout. And of course we have to add some avocado, some feta cheese. I don't play when it comes to feta cheese. We're absolutely lacking in the protein department, so I would pair this with some grilled chicken for a full meal. Just gonna eat it right off the pan. It was missing something, and that something was Cholula.
And per serving, you are getting 18 grams of protein and 14 grams of fiber. 600% daily value of vitamin A. Most of that is coming from the vitamin A precursor carotenoids in the sweet potato, so you don't need to worry about that being too much vitamin A. Over 70% daily value for vitamin B5 and vitamin C. Over half the daily value for vitamin B2 and vitamin B6. Over 40% daily value for potassium and manganese. And at least 30% daily value for vitamin B1, vitamin B3, vitamin B9, vitamin B12, vitamin K, iron, magnesium, and zinc. It's a great amount of nutrition for around 600 calories. Which is why when you crunch the numbers and calculate nutrient density, you end up with a Nutrivore score for these sweet potato nachos of 313. To put that number into perspective, any food with a Nutrivore score higher than about 150 is contributing more nutrients than calories to our overall diet. And this dish is coming in at about double that threshold. If you see any recipes you'd like me to analyze, feel free to tag me in them. And if you would like to support my work, come on over and join my Patreon, which gets tons of exclusive resources, including a weekly video podcast and a new ebook every month. And I've been doing this for a few years, so the archive is huge.